Hi everyone. So in the previous video we have executed this pattern. So in this video we are going to print another one. So let me draw that pattern. Okay. So in this video we are going to print another pattern like this. In the first row it will print like 1. In the second row it will print 2. 2 times 2. In the third row it will print 3 times 3. And the fourth row it will print 4 times 4. Okay. So this pattern we are going to print in this video. So again we need two for loops. Okay, one for loop is to count the number of rows. Okay, and another for loop, the first for loop is to count the number of rows, and the second for loop is to count the number of symbols that we are going to print. Okay, so in this case the number of row is 4. Okay, so the I for loop will be from 1 to 4. Okay, it will be 1 to 4 is less than equal to 4, like this. Okay, this is one for loop, and another for loop, that is j for loop, will be like let's say in the first row it is print only 1. Okay, so it is also starting with 1, but the j for loop is going up to the number of row, right? In the first row it is printing only 1, in the second row it is printing 2, so it's following the I for loop, so it is going at then equal to like I, right? So this pattern is following, and what it is printing, like 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, right? So the number of row it is printing, let's say in the first row it is printing 1, the second row it is printing 2, third row it is printing 3, fourth row it is printing 4. So it's again following the I for loop, right? So apart from using a star, okay, if we write I on that print statement, then our program will be done. Okay, so let's execute it. So this is the program we have done before. Let me maximize it. Okay, so this is the program we have executed. Okay, in the output console you can see. Now just two changes we have to do, not also two changes, just only one change we have to do. So this is the I for loop that used to count the number of rows. This is the second for loop that is used to count the number of symbols that we are going to print. Okay, and this is the print statement. So apart from using the star, if we use I, okay, then our program is done. Just Control S and run as Java application. That's it, we got that pattern. Okay, so what is happening here? Let's see. In when the value of I is 1, okay, and it is less than 4, less than equal to 4, it is going down, it is going entering the for loop, I for loop. Then it is checking j is equal to I, j is less than equal to I value is 1, again I is equal to 1, so it's condition true. Then it's printing the value of I, the value of I is 1, so it is printing 1. Okay, then this for loop again it will go here, the count will be 2. Okay, j plus plus count will be 2. Again it will check the condition, 2 is less than equal to 1, no, condition false, so it will get out from this j for loop. Okay, then it will print the this statement, system.out.println. Just to go to the next line, it is printing 1, then it is going to the next line. Okay, now it will go to the I for loop. Okay, then I value was previously 1, now it is increment to 1, that is 2. Again it will check the condition, 2 is less than equal to 4, condition true, it is going it is entering the for loop. Then again it will check. Okay, here j is equal to 1 and j is less than equal to 2, again condition true, it will print I value. What is the value of I? It is 2, right? So it will print 2. Then again it will go here, the value of j will be 2. Then again it will check, 2 is less than equal to 2, so 2 is equal to 2, right? Then again condition true, it will print one more times true. So 2 times 2 will be printed again. The third time the j for loop will be terminated because the condition will be false. Okay, then again it will go to the next line, then this for loop will be executed again. So like this pattern can be printed. Okay, so just follow the steps. You will also print this pattern easily. If you have any doubt or if you have any issue during the pattern printing, then you can write down in the comment box. Okay, that's all for today's video. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.
They said, don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it.